Soy sauce eggs. Ingredients: 6 eggs, 6 tablespoons warm water, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons sherry vinegar, 3/4 cup soy sauce. We use low sodium. If yours is regular strength, you might want to err on the side of shorter marination time. 6 large eggs. Salt, for serving. Black pepper, for serving. Directions: in a medium bowl, whisk together the water and sugar to dissolve the sugar, then stir in the sherry vinegar and soy sauce. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Carefully put the eggs into the boiling water and cook for exactly 6 minutes and 50 seconds, stirring slowly for the first 1.5 minutes to distribute the heat evenly. Meanwhile, fill a large bowl with cold water and ice. When the eggs are done, transfer them to the ice bath. Once the eggs are cool, and the water isn't uncomfortably icy, peel them. In the water, this will help them keep a perfect exterior. Transfer the eggs to the soy sauce mixture and marinate in the fridge for at least 2, and up to 6, hours, making sure they are completely submerged. If necessary, top the eggs with a small plate to ensure submersion. Remove the eggs from the sweet and salty solution. You can save the soy sauce mix for another round of eggs, if you wish. The eggs will keep, refrigerated in a tightly sealed container, for up to a month. To serve, cut the eggs in half lengthwise and season with salt and pepper. Or cool hand luke them to impress your friends.